Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python for Astronomy and Astrophysics tutorial, our objective is to learn that how to perform rectangular masking of a pixel in the PITS image. Okay, so this is tutorial part 2, and in part 2, uh, I taught you about that how to perform only the pixel masking above a given threshold. So you can watch my first tutorial on this. I've given the link in the descriptions, and then you can jump to the current tutorial. Okay, so before proceeding, I want to warn about one thing. In our previous tutorial we have read that how to read this fits image. Okay, so I'm not going to read this fits image file. Okay, so I will start only after the rectangular masking. So this is my fits file, already I have read it. Okay, so let's go to the rectangular masking. See that I have a fits image. Okay, and this region, the white rectangular region, is being masked, so this will not be used in your further photometry or image analysis of this fits image. Okay, so we have to do this kind of rectangular masking in the fits image. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first we'll go to code. All right, so I will define my rectangular region. Okay, region on fits image, right? So now define. So you can define your say x x coordinate and y coordinate, right? So you can define your say like x minimum you can define, right? X minimum, then x max, then y minimum, and then y max. Okay, so this will make a rectangle, right? Now you can give these values as you can give say, so you can choose any value from this. So I will choose from say 500 to 900, and then 100 to 500, right? So this is my value for your rectangular region coordinates, right? Now then I will create the mask. Okay, so now create a mask. Okay, so I will create here a mask rectangular. Okay, and then I can define np dot zero like, so zero like function, and then you can give your image data. Okay, so image data you can give from here, right? Your image data from our earlier tutorial, and then you can give your so it will take your data and your array, so mask, and you can give your d type. So you can give d type as a boolean. Okay, so either true or false, right? Now see what it will turn. So it's mask rectangular, so make it yeah, mask region is okay, no problem. So here you can see that it is turning false. Okay, so I mean like your image has not been masked, but you have initialized your mask. Okay, now come to um, the next step. So now create a So now create a mask region. Okay, so create a mask region, right? So for that, what I will do, I will define as a mask region, right? And then I will give my these uh, like x min, uh, then so in a fits image, like you have to reverse the axis, so you can type here uh, y min, y max, right? And so we have to give here this syntax, right? And then x min to x max, right? Now and make it true. Okay, so like now you have a false. Okay, so make it true. So true, I mean this region will be masked. Okay, this you have done. Now you have apply the mask. Okay, so now apply the mask. Okay, so for that type here masked region. Okay, masked region or like masked rectangle. Okay, mask rectangle equal to np dot ma np dot ma dot np dot let's mistake np dot ma dot mask that type here PLT dot figure, right? Then type here PLT dot image show. Then give your masked uh, masked rectangle, right? And type here PLT dot show. Okay, so run it. So I think its whole image is coming here. So okay, so make it in a log scale. Okay, so np dot log 10. So here you can see that your image has been disappeared. Okay, so your actual image is this one, right? And this time your image has been disappeared. So I mean you can see in this region there's nothing. Okay, so you can make this region a small, so 100 to 500, and now run it. So here you can see that your image is looking okay. So you can visualize this image using here a library called from matplotlib dot colors import log num, right? And then you can make this as a image as a mask rectangle, and then you can make it norm equal to log norm, and now it's fine. Okay, so here you can see that this region has been masked. Okay, so you can make it much smaller. So I will go from 100 200 only, and 100 to 300, right? So here you can see that you have a much better visual. Okay, so in if you like move cursor, so here you can see that at every pixel there are some values, but when you are going to the white region, white patch at the sky, there is nothing showing. Okay, so xy is changing, but intensity value is a blank. Okay, so this means that this patch of the sky has been masked. Okay, so this pixel has nothing. So you can move to the right if you want. So you can move right. So 200 200 to 400, right? Here you can see that this region has been masked. So this way you can mask your feeds image. Okay, using the rectangular masking. So thank you.